All of your breakout group leaders and documentarians, as you heard Jen say before the breakout groups, they're going to be writing up the information that you've all collected into these slides together. They're going to be making those into report inputs for us. So if you've got any other input for them, if you've got notes that you took or anything that you saw today that you've got additional information or want to make sure it gets captured, you can email them if they've given you their email, or you can email me, Jen and Sam. We're on the LSSW main site, so you can find us there. So you can continue to give us your input through the next couple of weeks, and we'll make sure that it gets incorporated. And then, as Jen also said, right, we're going to have a report on this workshop and the information that we got so far in Figures of Merit that will be coming, that we need to give to NASA by the end of October. And then we will hopefully make that public and be able to send it out to everyone. And then this is going to be sort of an ongoing work in progress for our community, right? That's just our starting point, identifying what we have now, what we can look at now. And then I think all of the breakout groups identified work to go, things that we would like to have to be able to maximize our landing sites and our science, but that we as a community haven't put the work in yet. Sometimes we have the opportunities to propose these kinds of things to our RNA. If that's something that you saw something here where you're like, hey, I could totally do that, and that's going to be helpful to science, maybe that's an idea for your next research grant proposal. Maybe it brings you insight into a scientific process that's happening. That would be lovely. We also have a call open, Sarah. I think it's open or will be open for our lunar mapping group. So if you're a mapper and you'd like to participate in mapping exercises that we're conducting, NASA's going to be identifying some of those, and you can help us with those. So there's lots of opportunities to continue to do this work, not just giving the inputs to NASA, but continuing this work in our community together. And we hope that we will be able to lead to giving you updates on the landing site process that Sam described in the very beginning of today. And you'll be able to see how your inputs got into our process and got evaluated and lead us to be able to be selecting the Artemis 4 landing site eventually. So if you've got notes again, anything that you want to share, inputs are going to be due at the end of September. And yeah, Jim Rice, you have a question? Ricky, can you unmute Jim Rice?
Go ahead, Jim.
Can you hear me, Barbara?
Yep.
Hey, just one quick question that pertains directly to what we talked about all day. Is there any update on the Artemis 4 deployed instrument selection? Anybody know anything about that?
So yeah, Jim, we talked about that at the beginning of the day. Those selections are in process right now. Sarah, do you want to talk about that?
Yep, they are coming soon. We are on schedule, and we are hoping to get them out soon. That's the best I can tell you. Soon.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yep.
Yep. Any other questions? We've got maybe a couple minutes if there are people who have questions on how the day went. Any other questions you have on how we're going to be using this information? Nope. Okay. Give us your feedback after today. What you liked about this, what you want to see in future LSSWs. Sarah, did you want to talk about future LSSWs and how to get information to you or ideas?
Sure. Yes, we do have one LSSW coming up on the books, and I don't remember the date of it now. November 10th. In November on the results that we've gotten from our CLIPS missions to date. That should be a really fun afternoon for that. So appreciate that. That's the last one we have on our current schedule, but we are always interested in topics. Sometimes topics arise because we need information, but we are also happy to take input from the community. If there are things that you think we should be talking about, please reach out to me directly. Amanda, did I get something wrong? What is the date?
The 13th and 14th of November.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There we go.
There you go. It's already on the website. So great. Thank you again for participating with us today. We appreciate all your time and effort, and we look forward to engaging with you further on this and other topics.
Thank you to Barb and Jen for leading, and thank you to Ricky and the team at Survey for their outstanding support for us today.
Okay, and I think that's going to wrap it up for us today.